DONNA-LEE BIDDLE Last updated 11:32, July 26, 2018. Cory Scott Jefferies is on trial for the murder of Waikato woman Kim Louise Richmond. He killed her because he didn't get what he wanted. That is what Crown Prosecutor Ross Douch told the jury in his closing statement in the Kim Richmond murder trial on Thursday. Richmond's body was found in a partial fetal position in the rear seat of her silver Ford Ranger that was pulled from Lake Arapuni last year, a plastic shopping bag over her head and torso. Cory Scott Jefferies and Kim Louise Richmond were together for 26 years. Her partner of 26 years, Cory Jefferies, is standing trial for her murder at the High Court at Hamilton. A relationship breakdown and an alleged affair with the couple's neighbor is what drove Jefferies to kill. Douch contended, the ultimate questions is, does evidence bring you to the conclusion that he wanted her dead, or wanted to cause her harm? Jefferies denies the murder charge but accepts he is responsible for Richmond's death. Forensic pathologist Dr. Rexonze told the court he was not able to identify Richmond's cause of death because her body had been in the water too long. He recorded the official cause as undetermined. What must have been the state of mind of the defendant Jefferies? Douch posed to the jury. Jefferies' state of mind is an important factor because it raises the question of whether he had a murderous intent, he said. He urged the jury to take a collective approach with the evidence. How is not clear. But the real question is, what drove him to it? Douch said, the activity of the defendant of disposing of the body. The evidence that may have been there is gone. You can infer intent, not only by the method adopted, but by drawing from all of the circumstances and what goes through the mind of the defendant when he did what he did. Douch summarized the evidence that was heard earlier in the week. Police tracked data from Jefferies' cell phone the night Richmond disappeared. The GPS pinged at two separate spots on Tayana Road, near the couple's home and near the boat ramp at Lake Arapuni. It showed Jefferies traveled at a driving pace toward the boat ramp. His trip home to Mangara Road was at a slower pace, possibly a running or walking pace. The Crown also produced evidence from the police investigation. Information from Richmond's Fitbit device recorded an elevated heartbeat on the morning of July 31st. The heart rate settled until the Fitbit stops recording the heartbeat about 3:43 a.m., Douch said. Douch said one theory was that the Fitbit device was detached, another theory is that her heart stopped. A broken Fitbit strap was found in the truck that was pulled from the lake. Earlier in the week, the court heard from the couple's neighbor Alphonse Tabrake, who admitted to kissing and cuddling Richmond. There were several confrontations between Jefferies and Tabrake, where he told Tabrake to leave Richmond alone. He told Tabrake he wanted to kill the bee, Douch said, and what did he by his own admission do? He killed the bee. Earlier in the week, the court heard from 8 Crown witnesses. Jury was also played a video of an interview with Jefferies and Detective Constable Janine Post shortly after the mother of 3 went missing. Detective Constable James Walker was part of the police team that recovered Ute. Earlier on Wednesday, the court heard that Jefferies told the detective that his wife was too beautiful to touch. The video interview with Jefferies and Detective Constable Janine Post was played during his trial. In the video, Jefferies gave his account of the night his partner of 26 years disappeared on July 31, 2016. Post asked Jefferies if he had ever hurt Richmond. To which he replied, she was too beautiful to touch. On the day of Richmond's disappearance, Jefferies sent a text to his partner at 1:22 p.m. that read, "When are you back?" There was also a text to Richmond's phone from their daughter that said, "Hi, it's where are you because I need you home here." Post said police heard from at least 2 people that Jefferies had threatened to kill Richmond. "I don't think so, no. That's not true," Jefferies said in the video. "Who's been saying that?" However, on Tuesday, Jefferies' lawyer Thomas Sutcliffe told the court that his client accepts responsibility for Richmond's death. Mr. Jefferies accepts that the relationship had been going through some difficult times. On the 7-minute drive home, something happened between them resulting in the death of Kim Richmond. When asked what he had told their 3 children about their mum, Jefferies said, "We've got everyone looking for mum. They know mom's missing. At the time of the video interview, Jefferies said the kids were not too bad. There have been a couple of moments. The boys just come down to the farm, get on their bikes. There's always been some action in the house stuff.